dropped off like this. Light G5, light G5, big boy jet, G5, you know how we do. My nephew, he owned this, he ain't number 17. This is jet we getting on. You know, I own the 747. You know, he owned a G5. You know what I'm saying? About to get on here and play a little, play some casino. We got a game we call Money. We're gonna introduce it. It's like Pity Bat with Deuces Wild. You know what I'm saying? It's called, and that's what we do, man. It's your man Money Mayweather signing off saying I'm the creme de la creme.